Mulund, one of the earliest planned suburbs of Mumbai and also the end of Mumbai. It's a land of skyscrapers and gardens and is the last railway station of the Mumbai district on the Central Line. So, what to do if you're here for a day? Number 1. Yogi Hills. This is a mixture of a garden, playground, forest and obviously a hill. When you enter, you have a big and beautiful garden at the base called the Sardar Tara Singh Garden, Cyprus. If you walk a little ahead, you can see a playground where you can play cricket or watch your kids play cricket or watch somebody else's kid play cricket. The best part, it's a balcony view. Then there is a proper entry for either climbing the hill or walking in the forest. If you like trekking, you can go up the hill where you can get a good view of Mulund from the top. And if you are a walker, then there's a path to walk in the forest. Number 2. Dr. Chintamani Deshmukh Garden, locally known as Chintamani Gardens or Deshmukh Gardens. It's the biggest garden in Mulund and is really a big one. It also has big statues of instruments. Batao. It may feel a little crowded, but it's definitely a good place to pass time. You have an amphitheater for couples, a children's play area, an open gym and a big wide garden with a lot of grass, plants, trees and flowers. Number 3. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje Maidan, locally called as the Sambhaji Ground, as it is more of a ground than a garden. There are proper cricket pitches in the ground, also a basketball court and goal posts for football. There is a shaded path that goes around the ground for people to walk. There are benches to sit, that too amongst the trees. There is also a children's play area and an open gym. Number 4. Bhandup Pumping Station. I know it's actually in Bhandup, but it's close to Mulund as well, so why not? This place is a bird watcher's paradise and looks amazing in the monsoons. Entry is not free here. For the adults, the cost is 50 rupees per person, and if you have a two-wheeler, then that's an extra 50. There is a lake inside this, few dilapidated rooms, a boardwalk which feels a little risky to walk on. I personally think the best time to visit this place is during the monsoon, so if you want, you can give a skip to this place and save money. But if you're a bird watcher, you may love it. These are the 4 places on my list, but apart from these, there is the landmark Kalidas Natya Mandir, which featured in the movie Singham and now is almost like a full-fledged sports complex and event center. There's a cow gully outside this place and the masala vada pav here is Mumbai famous. Talking about cow gully, there's also a cow gully near the Jain Mandir Sarvodaya which starts in the evening. Runwal Greens is a good hangout place and has a lot of options to eat and shop. It also has a Starbucks. If you like drinking something else other than tea and coffee, then there is Ram Punjab Bar for you, locally called as RP Bar. It's a very budget-friendly place and the food is delicious. Last but not the least is a cow gully near the railway station, which has some amazing pav bhajis. So that was my day in Mulund. We'll see you in another place for another video. Yes, I go around in the tapti jalti dhoop for making this video. So please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Also, stop looking at my phone.